Well, here I am. This is the most beautiful state park, and I like to come here a lot. And I'm sitting here on a rock. In an earlier video, I talked about earthing and how we can absorb the energy of the earth, the chi of the earth, by sitting on rocks, placing our feet barefoot on the grass, um, leaning against the tree. Yes, I am a tree hugger. I have trees not this big, but very similar to this in my own yard. And I will often go out and do Qigong leaning against the trees. So I have all of that Qi from wood, from the earth energy circulating through my body. And it's just the most serene day. It's quite cold. And so there aren't a lot of people at the park. But I really enjoy this place because it has a river, it has lots of trees, and I always get to hear the birds. And all of these things contribute to our bodies going out of the fight or flight response, the sympathetic nervous system, which most of us are in most of the time, and going into the parasympathetic, rest, digest, and restore. And so one of the things you can do is just find a place that's peaceful, a little sanctuary space that you make, and take that time to take a few deep breaths. Feel the breeze on your skin. Hear the sounds around you. See if you can actually tune into the vibration of the chi coming up through the earth from the rock and from the ground. I can hear running water in the distance. The Green River is near here as well. And if we can take a few minutes each day to just stop the constant chatter in our mind, the monkey mind it's often called, and tune into our body temple and think about, what am I feeling right now? And how is that serving me? And if it's negative, again, use the breathing. Some deep abdominal breaths will help you to get immediately out of that fight or flight response and into the rest and digest. And nature has always been my healing place. The fondest memories of my childhood are going with my family and camping and just sitting by a campfire at night. And incidentally, there is an alpha brainwave state that's emitted by the flames. And so alpha is a really good state. It's a meditative state. And also, speaking of brainwave states, Qigong is one of the very few activities that puts our brains into the gamma brainwave state, which is a great place to be. Very meditative, but it's also accessing all of your brain. And it's so fascinating that the Central Intelligence Agency, CIA, has an online library of various scientific studies of what Qigong does, because it's so fascinating and all of the things that it helps and benefits in your body. And so again, take some time each day to get into a nice, calm, meditative state. Breathe through whatever negativity, fear, stress, anger you're feeling, and get yourself back into being grounded or in the earthing state. Thank you. I'm Phoenix Alexander, and remember, live it, love it. It's your life.